soothing, but it also tickles my nose. It makes me want to sneeze. Try to blow my nose with one hand. I have my cough drops, lots of hankies, and lots of tissues. These ones have Vicks in them, so I'm trying to save them. But I think I'll be going through a lot today. And of course, I have my tea. Definitely need a sick